Urgent, this is what will happen in the next 24 hours with SHIB. What are the prospects of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency? What are the latest news about this cryptocurrency? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The live Shiba Inu price today is $0.000011 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 2.47% in the last 24 hours. While SHIB investors are waiting for a new peak, asset volatility and trading volume have decreased over the past few days. This shows that the consolidation phase occurred before the new movement. Usually, a price stuck in a narrow range is seen as a sign of a subsequent serious breakthrough. During this period, a narrow trading range was formed for the SHIB price between the support levels of $0.000050 and the resistance of $0.00055. The fact that the pair managed to break out of the descending triangle indicates that the downtrend has stopped, at least for the moment. If the bulls are fully engaged, they can push the SHIB coin to an uptrend again. Data from the whale tracking platform, WhaleStats, stated that a Shiba Inu SHIB whale withdrew 1.7 trillion SHIB from the crypto exchange Huobi. This could mean that the exchange outflow transfer to a personal wallet could be for accumulation purposes, while deposits may be for dumping. Such activity in the market can have a bullish effect on the price of the meme coin. Additionally, Shiba Inu's SHIB first collectible card game, Shiba Eternity, made its way to global mobile platforms for users to download and play. Since then, the game gained traction as it became available for download on Android and iOS devices. Given the game created a lot of headlines, how did SHIB as well as hodlers cope with this buzz? Fair to say, the significant development saw some interesting moves in the north direction for the meme coin. The total number of unique addresses marched ahead. Despite the crypto market's sluggish condition, a portion of the dog-themed coin's investors remained optimistic. On CoinMarketCap, SHIB registered 1,219,031 holding addresses, representing an increase of 36K new holdings over the course of 3 months. Yes, the drawdown was intense, but the said increase could be seen in the graph above. Not just this, but even dominant buyers sensed or rather showed this enthusiasm. Furthermore, SHIB's burning tracking website noted a similar rise, hours after the game went live. On the 7th of October, the rate of burning Shiba Inu coins unexpectedly rose by a whopping 1,017% compared to the previous 24-hour period, when merely 6 million SHIB were burned. At the time of writing, SHIB's burn rate stood in the green zone with a 55% increase. Indeed, the burn rate of Shiba Inu soared as the community looked forward to the download day. Now, talking about the elephant in the room, you may ask, did all the aforementioned developments help the price? Well, not really. At the time of writing, SHIB stood at the $0.00001 mark as it suffered yet another price correction. Well, overall, the lack of volatility, poor price performance, and the disappearance of whale support has led to catastrophic consequences for the token. Meme coin Shiba Inu has held up better than expected, but the digital asset is still down considerably from its all-time high. However, this has not stopped the development that has been going on behind the scenes, and now SHIB developers have begun to share the products that they have been working on. These, and others, have shown a promising future for the digital asset, but some show some possible upside for SHIB this week. The past week has been an interesting one for Shiba Inu. First, lead Shiba Inu developers announced that the SHIB Eternity game was complete and is now being tested by users. The game has been made available to community members in Vietnam and Australia, some of whom have taken to Twitter to share their experiences with the game. So far, the reviews have been good, and SHIB Eternity is set to be available for general download on Thursday. Another important development for the meme coin is a large purchase from one of the biggest Ethereum whales. This whale, which is ranked as the 98th largest ETH whale, had purchased 300 billion SHIB. The total came out to $3,417,000 at the time of the purchase. But even more important was what the whale did with the tokens once purchased. This whale had moved the SHIB in 2 different transactions to anonymous wallets, presumably for holding. Third on this list is the SHIB burn that has been going on for a while. With each passing day, The burn has been accelerated, which has done well to boost the morale of community members. In the span of 7 days, more than 560 million SHIB had been burned across 54 transactions, with a total of 257.49 million SHIB burned in a single transaction, a new record. These events are important to meme coins like Shiba Inu, which had been heavily criticized for its lack of utility and large supply. SHIB has now transcended just being used as a payment token as its only utility to having a working game that players can enjoy. The launch is an anticipated one that will likely boost the price of the digital asset once announced. Large purchases from whales have also been known to move the price of the digital asset. For example, following the $3.4 million purchase by the 98th largest ETH whale, Shiba Inu's trading volume had jumped more than 50% and saw a price gain of about 1.2% in the same 24-hour period. It may not be a large jump by established margins, but it works to help prop up the price of the cryptocurrency at a time when digital assets are suffering dips. The SHIB burn is perhaps one of the most important things for the digital asset. By reducing the supply of any asset, the higher the chance that the value goes up. However, it is important to keep in mind that the trading volume of SHIB is on the decline, which could lead to a muted performance over the next week. Shiba Inu is making all the right kinds of noise these days. It is becoming the darling of the whales. Even though the project's game, Shiba Eternity, was released 5 days ago, SHIB has been falling behind. The value of Shiba Inu was reported to have fallen thanks to the game, and its practical applications were highlighted. Yesterday, a total of 34 transactions accounted for the destruction of 10 million coins. However, this hasn't stopped whales from stocking up on SHIB. Whale Stats, a service that keeps tabs on extremely large cryptocurrency transactions, reports that the average Shiba Inu holdings and the number of active addresses have increased recently. As of this writing, ETH whales have snagged a combined $126 million in Shiba Inu, according to Whale Stats. Despite this, SHIB's price hasn't made any significant gains in the past 3 days. According to Cryptoquant, SHIB has had a poor track record, with a loss of 10.76% over a 7-day time period and a loss of 5.34% over a 24-hour timescale. Following the success of its video game, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has become a topic of conversation. A whale wallet received almost 1.7 trillion SHIB tokens before the general release of Shiba Eternity. The price of SHIB, meanwhile, has fallen by a stunning 15.38% in that time. This is indicative of the entire market's concern, which did not view the whale purchases as a potential shift in investor mood. Nonetheless, a green ending day or hour may not be sufficient for the token if anxiety enters the broader financial market. Strong link exists between Bitcoin and the stock market. At the time of writing, the correlation between BTC and the S&P 500 was 0.6, indicating that the cryptocurrency market is vulnerable to the US Federal Reserve's policy. This week, Fed Vice Chair Lael Brainerd and Chicago Fed Chief Charles Evans will appear on separate events to outline the central bank's planned course of action. A hardening of the bank's already aggressive posture would have a negative impact on the larger financial market, which would inevitably weigh on the cryptocurrency market. In light of these circumstances, SHIB is seen to continue having a tough time in the coming weeks as the crypto winter persists. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.